The sensor I have inside there, it's right here. Now these eggs have been in there for almost a week, and so I took it down to 99 degrees. I know it's a little high on humidity, but it's hard to regulate that much better than that. Anyway, I'll kind of keep you posted. Here in about a week, I'm going to candle the eggs and see if any of them are producing. Look at him wag his tail, just like a little puppy dog. Sent the rest of the ducks back to my daughter. I was just basically babysitting, but these are mine now. I got the boy and two girls. Got a black and white girl and a gray and white girl. And I have, I think it's 8 eggs in the incubator. They might end up setting a nest, but they haven't yet, so I went ahead and put some in the incubator. And they're like 2 weeks in, and it looks like they're developing. We'll see. I think they're so much fun. I let them out today. I don't let them out every day. Just thought you might like to see a little bit of duck action today. I'd say I have a pretty healthy supply of spiders. What do you think? No new babies yet. Nope. Not yet. All I gotta say, it's about time. Hey, Mama. Yep. Finally did it, huh? Let's go see. Looky there. Looky there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's get this thing out of here. Let's get over here. There we go. Nice little black one. Good girl. Ooh. Ooh. Surely got more than one in there. Is it a girl or a boy? Boy. Yep. Little boy. Look at him. He's purty. You gonna have more? That looks like you're gonna end up with horns. Look at that. Good job, Mama. Let's see if you have any more. Think you probably do. Let's see. Yeah, I think you probably do. And you're next, aren't you? Yep. She's backing up real good, so it might not be too long for her. These goats, I don't know about them. I really misjudged their due dates for sure. Oh, and he's got blue eyes. Yep, he's got blue eyes. I don't know if you can see them, but they are. Yep, good mama. He's trying to get back there. She just keeps knocking him down. So you're not clean yet. You can't go nurse yet. Aw, look at him. There's a teat. You might get it. Nope, it's not in the center. It's on the side. Keep going. You're going to find it. You're going to find it. There you go. Oh, he's quick. Now, if she'll hold still long enough for him to get a hold of it. You're almost there. You're almost there. Ah, poor thing. He's almost there. Oh, come on. Don't give up. It's right there above your head. Ah. I think here comes another one. Yeah, she's thinking about it. She had a contraction. Now she's busy with him again. Look at them blue eyes. Okay, you having another one? Nope, not yet. Yep, maybe. Here we come. Here we come. Don't step on him. Don't step on him. Yep. Pushing on out, man, makes me strain. Here it comes. Oh, there's another one. Yay. Okay, she only usually has two. And this one's a little girl. And she is for sure. No, not for sure. I don't know. She might not be polled. We'll see. Little girl and a little boy so far. Both of them are kind of medium brown. Good job, Mama. Good job. Get them cleaned up. We'll come back and look at them after you get them cleaned up. It's not even been 5 minutes, maybe 8 minutes. Let me see your eyes. Oh, she's looking for a teat. She's looking for a teat. Yep, blue eyes. Aw, look at there. Full beans. Is two it? Just two? I guess we'll see. Oh my gosh, she just had a third one. She had triplets. Oh, listen at it. I gotta go clean it up. So far, a boy and a girl, so I don't know what the third one is. Okay, two boys and a girl. Boy, girl, boy. And all three of them have blue eyes. Now the girl's eyes aren't as blue. I mean, they may end up being brown, but both of the boys have blue eyes. Okay, let me show you how they're all doing. There they are, triplets. Mama had triplets. Little boy. He's gonna have horns. Another little boy. Oh, and he's got blue eyes. Another little boy, and he's gorgeous. He's not gonna have horns, and he's got blue eyes. And then another little girl. There's the little girl. Put a collar on her. I don't think she's gonna have horns, but she might. I can't really tell. Aren't they pretty? And there's the last batch. He's got horns already started. He's got blue eyes. Isn't he pretty? He's pretty. He's got long hair too. I don't get that. And there's his sister. She doesn't have horns. And this is Buttercup. She's still due. She's trying to have a vaginal prolapse. I've been watching her and kind of helping her out a little bit. Hopefully it'll be soon, so we don't have to go have her stitched up or something. That would be crazy. Anyway, it's my new Tennessee home. Here's Babe. Babe's babies. And the new ones, of course, doing really well. They're sunning right there. It's nice and warm right there. Talk to y'all later. Oh yeah, one other thing. The garden up there. If you can see that white plastic and stuff, yeah. It's another cold spell, and I'm having to cover stuff. Again, third time this spring. I know a lot of people said, why'd you plant so early? I have stuff backed up, but I don't want to have to, I really don't want to have to put it out there. I'd kind of like to have a jump start on it. I have tomatoes in the garden that are actually blooming. Anyway, now I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.